Hello everybody. I hope all of you are having a great day. My name is Dr. Pritesh Nagar. My son Arav studies in DSC. I am a pediatrician and I specialize in pediatric and neonatal ICU. I was asked to speak a couple of minutes by DSC on the current pandemic as well as the online classes. Well, the globe, as we know, is facing a global catastrophe in the form of the coronavirus or the COVID-19 pandemic, and almost no country or nobody is safe from it. India also right now is in the grip of coronavirus, and that's why it's very, very important that we need to stay safe, we need to take precautions. And the best way to stay safe is by staying at home, not venturing out unless absolutely necessary. And whenever you are going out, it's important that you wear a mask which fits properly, covers your nose and mouth. And the second important way of protecting yourself is by frequently washing your hands, frequently sanitizing your hands, especially when you come home back after you have gone out. But these are the only two ways that we know as of date that we can protect ourselves from getting infected. So that's very, very important for kids more than 2 years of age as well as adults. So this is one most important thing that you all teachers, kids and parents should take. Now, the other way the virus catches very easily is when people gather together in closed communities. It may be a function, it may be a birthday party, or it may be a school classroom as well. And that way, DSC has taken an extremely good step by taking classes on the online platform. Because if you kids gather around school, kids as well as teachers are at an extreme high risk of contracting the disease. I personally feel, as well as studies have shown, that if the school reopening is postponed till the pandemic is tided over, then it is safe. Till then, it is always better to have the virtual classes. Now, kids, all of you are watching classes online on your laptops or mobile phones, and continuous watching of a screen always causes strain. Your eyes can have burning, you can have watering of eyes, you can have headaches. So there are a lot of other symptoms, but these are all medically known as the computer vision syndrome. Now, a couple of simplest things, I can't go into details, but a couple of simple things that can help you preventing these symptoms are, number one, every 15-20 minutes, just focus your eyes away from the screen. I know all kids, you're all not sitting at one place and you're not really always looking at the screen, but it applies to teachers as well. So every 15-20 minutes, focus your eyes away from the screen. So what happens is when you focus your eyes away from the screen to a distant object, your eyes get time to get adjustment. The second important thing is once in an hour, your classes don't last for more than an hour. So once in an hour, try to get away from the screen for 5-10 minutes. That's what you're utilizing your breaks for. So these are the two simplest ways wherein you can prevent yourself from getting this side effects of prolonged watching of screen. Well, there are a lot of other things that you could do to stay safe, but the simplest and the best way is stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye, take care.